Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another video in the Pocket playlist. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to sew a cargo or bellows pocket, a utilitarian pocket that adds structure and design detail to outerwear such as coats, jackets and cargo style trousers. If this is your first time here, don't forget to explore the other pocket tutorials in this series. Each one builds your skills step by step, whether you're new to sewing or refining your technique. Want to sew along with me? You'll find the free downloadable patterns linked in the description below. This tutorial covers 4 variations of cargo or bellow pockets. Option 1 has side pleats only, a clean look with no central pleat. Option 2, an inverted central pleat for extra room and added design detail with single row edge stitching. Option 3 has double stitching as a variation. Option 4 has a box pleat with a button and buttonhole closure. Let's walk through the process step by step. Print and cut your pattern pieces. Cut your fabric and transfer all pattern markings. Mark all the pocket lines on the right side of the pocket. Apply fusible interfacing to the flap. For the double stitch option, sew the top stitch line around the main pocket shape 8 mm from the pocket marking. Pleat options. No central pleat, skip this step. Inverted pleat, fold the pocket in half, right sides together. Mark a line 7 cm or 2 3/4 inches down from the top on the pleat line and another 5 cm or 2 inches up from the bottom. Sew the pleat at the top and bottom. Box pleat option, fold along the pleat line wrong sides together and mark the stitch lines. Press the pleat into place. Press the hem by folding 6 mm or 1/4 inch, then 3 cm or 1 3/16 inch. Stitch the hem. Press all pocket fold lines. First the main rectangle, then the 1 cm or 3/8 inch seam allowance on the sides and bottom. Press the side and hem bellow pleats last. Create the mitered corner. Fold in half, then stitch the right angle. Trim. Clip into the center of the center corner and clip the end corner. Finger press the seams open, turn through and press. Repeat for the other corner. Edge stitch around the main pocket rectangle. If you have the double stitching option, this is what it'll look like. Pin the pocket to the garment, matching the drill holes. Edge stitch the pocket in place. Stitch the bellow pleat down at the top along the hem edges. Optional, secure the bottom corners 1 cm or 3/8 of an inch up the sides. Or on the double stitch version, sew on a 45-degree angle. Assemble the flap, fold in half, sew the sides, trim and turn through. Edge stitch around the flap. For the top stitch option, sew the second row of stitching. If adding buttons, sew the buttonholes on the flap. Mark a line 2.5 centimetres or 1 inch above the pocket. Place the flap so the 5mm or 3/16 of an inch stitch line sits on this guide. Pin in place. Stitch the flap on. Fold the flap down and top stitch to secure. If choosing the button option, mark and attach the buttons. Give the entire pocket a final press. And that's it. You now have the skills to confidently sew cargo pockets for a stylish, utilitarian finish. Let me know in the comments if this is a pocket you'd like to try, and if you've already made one, I'd love to hear how it went. Up next in the pocket playlist, we'll explore tailored patch pockets, perfect for tailored coats and jackets. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it, and if you're sewing along with the series, I'll see you in the next one.